Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we have solved a easy maths Olympiad question. This question is x plus y is equal to 1, xy is equal to 1. We'll find out what is the value of x, y in this maths problem. So how to solve this question. So first of all, you can see easily this is our first equation and this is our second equation. Now I can see easily our first equation, it will be x plus y is equal to 1. This is our first equation. Now at this moment, if I move on this x in this side, it will be y is equal to 1 minus x. This is our third equation. Now at this moment, if I take our second equation, then our second equation, it will be x y is equal to 1. Then you can see easily this x and this y, it will be 1 minus x. I put this below in this equation, so it will be 1 minus x is equal to 1, this one. Now you can see easily here 1 times x, it will be x times x, it will be x to the power 2 is equal to 1. Now this quadratic equation, it will be minus x squared, then it will be positive x, and if I move on this one in this side, it will be negative 1 is equal to 0. Now you can see easily here minus x squared, so I take both sides, negative 1 is common, so if I multiply both sides negative 1, so it will be positive x squared and minus x, and it will be positive 1 is equal to 0. I multiply both sides negative 1 in this equation. Now we'll find out a nice quadratic equation. At this moment, if I compare this equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, then you can see here a is equal to 1 and v is equal to negative 1 and c is equal to positive 1. Now here x is equal to, you know that this formula, it will be minus b plus minus square root v square minus 4ac over 2a. Then if I put this below in this equation, in this formula, so I consider it will be minus b it will be negative 1, so minus minus 1 plus minus square root v square, I mean negative 1 square minus 4ac, a is 1, c is 1 over 2a is 1. Now here x, it will be minus minus plus 1 plus minus square root, you know that negative 1 whole to the power 2 is even number, it will be positive 1 minus 4ac, 4 times 1 it will be 4 over 2 times 1 it will be 2. Then you can see this expression, it will be 1 plus minus square root, then here is 4 minus 1, it will be negative 3 over 2. Then if I evaluate this expression, you can see that it will be 1 plus minus square root 3, and here is square root negative 1 over 2. This time this is equal to this. Now here x is equal to 1 plus minus square root 3, and I know that negative 1 square root negative 1, it will be I over 2. Then if I separate this fraction, we'll find out here is x is equal to 1 over 2 plus minus, and here is square root 3 over 2i. So we'll find out nice answer. It is a complex solution, it is a complex number. Here is no real solution, both are complex solutions. So we'll find out x is equal to half plus minus square root 3 over 2i. Now we'll find out the value of y, but recall our third equation, it will be y is equal to 1 minus x. We will put this equation in this expression. So I can see in this math problem, so I can see our third equation, it will be y is equal to 1 minus x. This is our third equation, but we'll find out here is x1, it will be half plus square root 3 over 2i, and x2, it will be half minus square root 3 over 2I. Now you can easily here y 1, it will be 1 minus x, this x, so x it will be 1 over 2 minus square root positive square root 3 over 2I, and here y2 is equal to 1 minus x, 1 minus x. This equation, I put the value of x in this equation, so it will be 1 over 2 minus square root 3 over 2I. Now you can easily here y1, it will be 1 minus half plus minus it will be negative square root 3 over 2I, and it is also y2 is equal to 1 minus half, but minus minus it will be plus square root 3 over 2I. Now you can easily here y1, it will be 1 minus half, it will be half, yes, and here is negative square root 3 over 2I, and it is also y2 is equal to half, 1 minus half, it will be half, but here is positive square root 3 over 2I. So we'll find out nice solution when when x is equal to 1 over 2 plus square root 3 over 2I. This time y is equal to 1 over 2 minus square root 3 2I. And again when x2 is equal to 1 over 2 minus square root 3 over 2I. This time we'll find out y value, it will be half plus square root 3 over 2I. This is our answer in this maths question. Both are complex solution. There is no real solution. Let's check out our question. It will be x plus y is equal to 1 and xy, it is also 1. So first of all, if I take x plus y is equal to 1, but remember that x is equal to this, y is equal to this, so I put this value in this equation. So here x plus y, so I take this value, it will be 1 over 2 plus square root 3 over 2I, and plus y it will be 1 over 2 square root 3 over 2I is equal to 1, this side. So these cancel out. Because of that, this is positive, this is negative, so half plus half, it will be 1 is equal to 1. So you can say the left hand side and right hand side is equal, and other expression x plus y is equal to 1, so you can say x y is equal to 1. Now here x it will be 1 over 2 plus square root 3 over 2, and here y is equal to 1 over 2 minus square root 3 over 2, and it will be I is equal to 1. So you can easily here a plus b, a minus b, so know that a plus b times a minus b, it will be a square minus b square. So if I apply this formula here, so it will be 1 over 2 whole to the power 2 minus b square, I mean b, it will be square root 3 I over 2 whole to the power 2 is equal to 1. Now at this moment you can easily 1 over 2 whole to the power 2, it will be 1 over 4, and here is negative, and it will be square root 3 is cancelled, square is cancelled, we will find out it will be I, and here is I to the power 2, and it will be 4, and here 1. Now you can easily 1 over 4, and on that I squared will be negative 1, so at this moment you can easily it will be minus 3 over 4 is equal to 1. Because of that, I to the power 2, it will be minus 1, so I take minus 1 times 3, it will be minus 3 over 4. Then here 1 over 4 and minus minus, it will be plus 3 over 4 is equal to 1. Then here least common value is 4, then 4 divide 1, it will be 1, 4 divide 4, it will be 1, 1 times 3, it will be 3 is equal to 1. Then you can easily 1 plus 3, it will be 4 over 4 is equal to 1. Then 4 divide 4, it will be 1, so left hand side and right hand side is equal, so you can easily 1 is equal to 1. So in this question you can easily x is equal to this and y is equal to this. Here is the interesting topic, because of that here is no real solution both are complex number, both are complex solution, both are imaginary number. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye, take care.